Hi, my name is Sally Hurst, and I'm in my studio putting together the last few parts of my new workshop called Confident Composition. It launches next week. I ran it as a trial during the summer to see how it went and to build the content, and it was fantastic. It was described as a game changer and transformative, and I genuinely believe it's something that all artists, whatever genre and whatever media you're using, need to develop some kind of understanding of what composition is, even if you just want to break the rules. I've devised a series of practical tasks that will enable you to build a sketchbook that's going to be a valuable resource in your studio for years to come. The practical tasks will really help you understand the theory. And this course will get your brain working, your fingers mucky, but above all, it will enable you to be confident with composition. For more information and to sign up for an alert for when it launches, just head over to my website, sallyhurst.co.uk.